To apply for the Teachers of the Visually Impaired program, visit the Shop section of Seedling's website. Here you may browse the different sections of Braille books which we carry, or use the search function to look up a specific title. You may add a book to your cart by selecting the small Add button found below each listing, or show details to see further information. After selecting the 5 titles you would like to receive, you will go to your cart to complete the application process. Now locate the coupon code box below the 5 titles you selected. The coupon code is TVIP. Then select Apply Coupon. This coupon code will remove the cost of your books and make the total price $0. Then select Proceed to Checkout. Now enter the name of your school, school district, or agency. Also confirm the person receiving this order is a certified teacher of the visually impaired. When entering your shipping information, please indicate if it is a home or a work address. Please note that TVIP orders ship through USPS's Free Matter for the Blind. Free Matter for the Blind shipping takes 1 to 3 weeks domestically and 4 to 8 weeks internationally. Please contact us if you require further assistance placing your order.